Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did the Barbie ponytail with the bang using Kinky straight clip-ins from Amazon. So first I'm just going to section off my hair so that I can put in the first track. And your parts, they can be straight, but I didn't really care too much because it's not like you're going to see them anyway. You just want to make it so that you're able to clip the hair on properly. First, I used the track that had the 3 clips on there, and you're gonna want to clip them upside down because this helps like your ponytail be seamless, and you're gonna see like when you pull it up, it's just gonna make it look really smooth. So I'm just doing a track check. You want to do this periodically because you just want to make sure it's as seamless and that all the tracks are covered, and boom, it looks good. For the second track, I'm using the one with 3 clips, and I'm not creating a new parting space. I'm just stacking them right on top of the first one. Here, I'm just repeating the first steps, and I'm using a track with the 3 clips on there for this part as well.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a started cross rap. Jumping peas. Drop the data, now we planning. Side peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. I'm pushing P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push P. P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keepin' P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Yeah. Push P. I'm pushing P.
Next, you're just gonna want to part out how much hair you want for your bang, and you're just gonna put it away for later use because now we're still adding the clips for the ponytail.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red band, and a card. I'm a P, you ain't your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops and we finally touched. I never be ready in the streets with me, no question. To reach the ticks, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabets, nigga try to sort it. I'm pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Pushing P.
Push P.
Hey y'all, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickers, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and love with white shit, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash?
I'm just pre-parting my hair so that it makes the whole process easier. But for the middle of your head, you're gonna want to use the track with 3 clips, and you're gonna want to just put it down like how you would regularly put in clip-ins. Like, don't do it upside down this time. So the last hair that I'm adding for the ponytail is going to be 2 sets of the clip-ins that have the 2 clips on there, and you're going to just want to add those to the front. So I'm done now adding clips for the ponytail, and it's looking real seamless, real. It's giving my hair, and yeah, now I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna start to work on the front of my hair for the bang. So for the bang, you just want to have two different sections that you're going to be adding the clip-ins in, and you're going to use two of the clip-ins that have one clip on them. Okay, y'all, it's looking really, really cute, really seamless, and really natural. And now I'm just going to get into curling it so that I can have that Barbie look. Y'all, if y'all did not know, Kinky straight texture is literally that girl for my natural girlies, my relaxed girls. Like, this texture is the bomb. It's beginner friendly, and you do not have to use too much heat. Like, I am not a professional and I'm not the best with flat ironing my hair, but whenever I use a Kinky straight texture, it always just looks bomb. So this is the final look, and it is so cute. But I just wasn't content with how it was blending, so I went on TikTok, and the girl said, to use wax to help it blend better. It blended better, but I don't know. If y'all have any other suggestions, like, let me know, because my hair just don't be getting as silky as I want it, and I don't know what I'm doing.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
This is the end of the tutorial. I hope y'all like this style. It is so cute, so easy to do. I literally love it. And I hope that y'all love it too. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.